Yes, I still have it.
Oh.
I still have it. I'm going to get my nips done again too.
Oh,
Thank
I
you.
pierced my nipple one time. You know, the nipple piercing was lit.
Elite.
Yeah.
Uh
It's a vibe, but I wouldn't do it again because I want my nipple to cock up because I'm gonna have kids. So I didn't want my nipple to leak. So I took mine out.
oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, makes sense. Make a lot of sense.
I don't think you should get any more piercing though.
Why wouldn't I get no piercing? No more piercing, and you're getting piercing.
Mm. You don't. No, I'm not gonna get no piercing. I'm done
Mm,
with piercings.
okay.
I tried it, done that, been there, done that.
Thank you for the roses, my love. Oh, so they say now I get back no more piercing. No
Mm-hmm.
more piercing at all. Mine bore and milk run through the part.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow, my God.
No more for
The
me.
Christina don't hurt. I'm definitely getting more face tattoos though. And I wanna put my future
You don't
fiance in
tattoo, Coco.
huh? Yeah, I do, I do.
I don't like how you're talking about to ruin yourself. You don't
I,
need any more altercation. What a big ears you have, girl. Wow, that's rich. That's a
okay.
nice ears you have.
I was showing you my
Yeah,
tattoo.
she
I
got
wasn't
nice
showing you my
ears.
ears.
But I saw them big ears, man. Big
Oh,
ears is a good
okay.
thing to have big ears. They say big ears people rich, you know. Big ears people, that
Oh,
means
I
you're
have
more
big ears and
exuberant.
you have a big nose.
And big mouth.
And a big
Yeah,
mouth.
I do. I know.
Yeah.
You have a
Yeah,
broad
me have
mouth.
big ears and you have big nose and big mouth. That's true.
Well, thank you. Thank you
Huh?
very much.
Oh, okay. Okay. I hope nothing else is not big, you know.
Yeah.
I hope, I hope, I hope nothing else is not big. What else pan your big? What else pan your big? Eh? What else pan your big?
Um, I got big feet. People say I got big feet. Say my foot is big. Yeah, I got big foot
What size
and
feet you have?
I got big hands too. Size, big butt,
The hands
big
big.
tits.
Uh,
Uh-uh.
you sure your hole not big?
Yeah, I have a few stuff on me that's big. No, I don't think I suffer with big pussy. I don't suffer with that.
Okay.
I, mm-mm,
Yeah.
mm-mm.
Okay. Okay. Just saying, make sure. Make sure you know. Make sure it's not.
Yes.
Make sure it's not.
I am Shani. Thank you for subscribing to my live. I am Shani for the first time. Now I got 8 subscribers. Thank you so much. Who is gonna follow I am Shani and set examples like her? Let's see, guys. 29K for us to hit the 300K.
After dark. Thank you so much.
Thank you for subscribing. I am Shani. I see you, girl.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Tarian, subscribe for the first time. Whoa, I love the energy. I love the vibe. Let's go, guys. Tarian, thank you for the subscribe. Now I got 9 subscribers. Lead out and set
Mm-hmm.
example. Walking
All right,
Tarian, I
baby.
am Shani
Later, my
Shoes.
baby. I love
Thank
you
you for
guys so much.
subscribing to
Love
my
y'all.
live. See you later. some superstar. Guys that just subscribed to my live. Two persons just subscribed to me.
Nails by
Thank you so much.
by
Thank you so
thank
much.
you. Nails by Oniek. Thank you so much.
Thank
Roy
you.
said, oh wow, I'm not repeating that. Stop
Thank you.
coming to my
Thank
page with
you.
propaganda. Conspiracies.
Who's that?
Stop coming here with
Thank you. Thank
propaganda.
you.
No, it's somebody on my live talking shit.
Wow.
Mm, yeah. Yeah, boy, today feel nice though. I'm not telling a lie. I'm not telling a lie at all. Today feels very nice. After dark, yes. After that,
So, like,
uh-huh. Yeah, listen.
where are your hangout spots in Kingston? So, if I come to Kingston and I say, Coco, let's drink, will you come or are you going to be busy? Alicia Williams, thank you for